Unroll your mat, unleash your fun, practicing yoga at home. Forget dusty gyms and crowded classes, your living room is about to become the hottest yoga studio in town. Ditch the commute and the fees, because home yoga is where it's at for a dose of activity and, yes, plenty of fun. So, grab your mat, crank up the tunes, and prepare to bend, stretch, and giggle your way to a happy you. The playful poses. Animal Kingdom adventure, roar into downward facing dog, slither into snake pose, and pounce into cat-cow. Make animal noises for bonus points and neighborhood entertainment. Cosmic countdown, blast off into Warrior 3, hold for 10 breaths, then descend into a moonlit child's pose. Repeat for each planet in our solar system, Pluto optional, we still love you. Treetop treasure hunt, imagine your living room is a magical forest. Balance in tree pose, reach for imaginary berries, and tiptoe over fallen leaves, aka socks. Games for extra giggles. Yoga twister, spin the arrow and land on poses. Double the laughter with partner yoga, try holding tree pose together, arms linked for extra wobbly fun. Pose charades, act out yoga poses for your family to guess. Mountain pose might be easy, but can you pull off Warrior 2 blindfolded? Yoga bingo, make your own bingo cards with yoga poses instead of numbers. First 1 to 5 downward facing dogs in a row wins. Beyond the asanas. Yoga disco, put on your favorite playlist and flow freely. Create your own moves inspired by the music, let your inner dancer shine. Breathe and build, after your practice, use your yoga blocks to build anything your imagination desires. Towers, castles, even miniature yoga studios, meta. Meditation minutes, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Imagine you're on a sunny beach, or floating in a cloud. Find your inner peace, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Remember, no fancy gear needed. A mat and comfy clothes are all you need. Listen to your body. Modify poses as needed, there's no shame in skipping downward facing dog if your back complains. Laugh it out. Yoga is meant to be enjoyed, not taken too seriously.
Let me know if you
So
have
go
any
ahead,
other questions.
giggle at your wobbly warrior or snort during pigeon pose. Home yoga is more than just exercise, it's a playground for your creativity, a space for family bonding, and a chance to connect with your inner child. So roll out your mat, unleash your inner yogi, and get ready to bend, laugh, and discover the joy of moving your body in your own unique way. Namaste to the fun.